Welcome to the Hawaii Periodic Motor Vehicle Inspection Program. This video will walk you through the steps necessary to set up and troubleshoot your Parsons-provided TP-Link router. When setting up your Parsons-provided router, the cable that plugs into the blue Internet port must connect to an unrestricted Internet source, such as your station's modem from your Internet service provider. This will allow the router to bypass any firewalls or other potential network restrictions at your station. In the first yellow port, you will connect the Parsons-provided router directly to your form printer. The indicator lights on the printer will be green when connected to the Internet. For both the Internet and printer connections, make sure that the cable is fully plugged in. You will hear a click when they are secure. When you go to remove the cable, you must push down on the tab to unlock the cable before pulling it out. Finally, you must use the round plug to plug in the power. Now that you have all the cables set up appropriately in the back side of the Parsons-provided TP-Link router, let's look at the indicator lights on the front. Starting on the left is the power indicator light. A solid green light indicates that the system has successfully started up. If the power indicator light is flashing green, then the system is in process of starting up, or it may be performing a firmware upgrade. Do not disconnect or power off the router during this process. If this indicator light is not on, then the power to the router is off, and you should check the cable in the back and make sure it is secure, and that the cable is plugged into a functional power outlet. The second indicator light should be lit and solid green, as it indicates that the router is able to provide wireless connection. The fourth indicator light indicates your Internet status. This will be provided from your station's modem, which the Parsons-provided TP-Link router should be plugged into directly. If the light is solid green, then Internet service is available. If the light is a solid amber, then the Internet port is connected, but the router is not receiving Internet service from the modem. Remember, your tablet must be connected to the Internet for you to perform inspections. If the Parsons-provided TP-Link router loses Internet connection, as indicated by the amber light on the fourth indicator, first check if your station's modem has Internet access. If it does not, you need to contact your Internet service provider. If your station's modem has Internet but the Parsons-provided router does not, or if the fourth indicator light is unlit, then the router's Internet plug is not securely connected. Check the cables in the back and make sure they are plugged in fully. You can also try resetting power to the router and modem by unplugging the cable for 10 seconds before plugging the power back in. The fifth through ninth indicator lights are your Ethernet port indicators. Only the first one should be lit, as you should connect that port directly to the form printer. If the fifth indicator is solid green, then the printer is powered on and is communicating appropriately with the router. If the indicator is not lit, then there's a communication disruption, which may be caused if the printer is turned off or if the cable became unsecured. Make sure the printer is on, and that the cable is secure on both ends. You have now set up your Parsons-provided TP-Link router and can troubleshoot basic connection issues. If you have any questions or need support setting up your router, please call the PMVI assistance line at 1-888-803-2655, which is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also email the PMVI assistance line at hawaiipmvi@parsons.com. Thank you for your participation in the PMVI program.